We will now enjoy some sentiments from a few more organizations. BNGVN, a non-political, non-religious organization that realizes that the importance of strengthening the economy of villagers as well as the hidden power in the group of women. We'll hear from Here to Read, which bridges the digital divide for the blind and low vision Indian language speakers, and hopes for the same quality of education for the visually impaired as for people with sight. And we will hear from the Sundarbans Foundation, which is committed voluntary organization in West Bengal. Over to you, Deepa.
Hello friends, this is Nilima Mishra. I am working from a village named Bahadurpur. It's in the state of Maharashtra in India. Friends, since 1995 I am working for the village development, for women empowerment and other things. I'm very fortunate to have ICA with us, and after working with ICA I feel that we need to have the organizations like ICA because we fully devoted our life for this cause. We need the organizations like ICA who are in contact with us regular. I remember that ICA has invited me to USA to share my experience during the lockdown in initial stage. People were not supposed to come out the house, so the basic requirement to cook, it was not available in the shops of the villages. And of course people who have money, they could purchase whatever they required, but with very small quantity. But people who didn't have anything to purchase, they were in struggle. So ICA came forward and we could provide the groceries to many families, and so that they could, for 1 month, 2 months, they could have food at their home. Friends, we are very grateful to those people who are helping ICA, and because of that, ICA can help many organizations like us and people like us who can work and with focus, full focus. Friends, ICA is in touch with us. They call us, they ask our status, they ask our progress, and then if they find any, there is any problem, they come forward to help us. Also, ICA is trying to connect to the international market for our product, and it is very helpful. It helps to increase our work, and simultaneously the women, more women can get employment. So it is very useful. Thank you friends, thank you for helping ICA, and thank you ICA.
Hello, this is Suresh Bajaj, founder of Here to Read. Here to Read is an example of the innovative projects supported by ICA to empower the underserved. Here to Read team has developed text-to-speech software for 10 Indic languages to benefit millions of visually impaired in India and other countries. You will now hear an example sentence spoken by Here to Read software in various Indian languages. Thanks.
આ ગુજરાતી બોલવાનું ઉદાહરણ છે.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತನಾಡುವ ಉದಾಹರಣೆ.
കന്നഡ മാതനാടുവ ഉദാഹരണೆ.
ഇത് മലയാളത്തിന്റെ പ്രഭാഷണത്തിന്റെ ഉദാഹരണമാണ്.
हे मराठी मध्ये लिहिलेले वाक्य बोलण्याचे उदाहरण आहे.
ଏହା ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ଏକ ଉଦାହରଣ ବାକ୍ୟ.
ਇਹ ਹੀਅਰ ਟੂ ਰੀਡ ਦੁਆਰਾ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਬੋਲਣ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਉਦਾਹरण ਹੈ.
संस्कृतवाङ्मयं विश्ववाङ्मये अद्वितीयं स्थानम् अलङ्करोति.
எழுதிய தமிழை உறக்கப் பேசுவதற்கு இது ஒரு உதாரணம்.
ఇది తెలుగులో స్వర సమన్వయానికి ఒక ఉదాహరణ.
ఇది తెలుగులో స్వర సమన్వయానికి ఒక ఉదాహరణ.
Namaste. My name is Jayashri Saha. The grant funding from ICA came at a very critical time. Since March 2020, the school projects are challenged with the COVID lockdown, and we needed to move to remote delivery of learning. This was a big challenge. We also moved quickly into COVID relief efforts to support the returning migrant families and to support families struggling with the loss of livelihood. In June 2020, Cyclone Amphan hit the villages in West Bengal, causing widespread devastation. All school properties were badly damaged. In particular, the Paratul School Project computer room was completely flooded and the roof caved in. We lost all the computer equipment and we had to stop all the remote learning. With the funding from ICA, we were able to buy refurbished PCs and printers and other support equipment to quickly bring up the computer room, set up the offices and the workspace for the teachers, and quickly bring up the remote learning capability as best we could. We are really grateful to ICA and a heartfelt thanks from all the staff, students, teachers, and their parents. We are also continuing several outreach projects because the COVID relief effort has to continue. We are really looking forward to continuing our association with ICA. Thank you.
Go ahead, Padma.
That was wonderful. It's amazing how much we can hear in 2 minutes or less. The words are so powerful. Thank you.